Hey, I want to talk to you about this first aid kit. So I'm all about safety first. And when you're camping or in an RV or at home, this is great for even in your office to have something available. You just never know when something is going to happen. So let me show you what all you get in here. This is a 320 piece set. Now you can get larger, you can get smaller, but for me, I thought this was an overall good size. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. For starters, these slide open like that. Now, on the inside, you have this top section here, and there is plenty of room to add additional items if you so choose. You have alcohol pads, sting relief pads, these are antiseptics, and just in a variety. You can also put, aspirins and different things in here. I could see where some ointments could go in here. Bags, what are they called? Gloves, and bandages of all sizes. The next thing I like about it is when you close this, now you can open this side up and this stuff doesn't go flying. It's all secured in there. So then over here on this side, you have iPads, trauma pads, several different size gauze pads, that you would need. A face mask if need be. And you also have some tongue depressors and some Q-tips, scissors. Scissors are always good. Some more safety pins. This is an emergency thermal blanket. You never know when you're going to need that. A cold ice pack. I believe this is the type that you just kind of crack and it will go in. And then a large assortment of Band-Aids. And like I said, there's still more room in here. There's also a quick little medical guide to help you with any type of first aid questions. Just a suggestion, another thing that I might put in here is a larger first aid book to help anybody that is not familiar with first aid, and it would give them a great guide to work with. Now, this is overall a great starter kit. I think it's well stocked, and you can even add more to it. Perfect for your home, your office, like I said, an RV, camping. That's what I'll be using it for. And overall, it's a great set. And that's just my honest opinion.
If you liked this video and found it helpful, how about helping this old grandma YouTuber out and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up? I'd really appreciate it.